Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breaker Stereo and Performance. And today we're going to talk about something that's extremely important, especially if you have a Dodge like this or any other Mopar vehicle that has a key that looks like this. You guys know that if you have this key, once you walk up to the vehicle, it's going to unlock it. You'll be able to get in and push the button and it will start the car. What people don't realize is this key is consistently transmitting a signal. And once this vehicle sees that signal, then it will unlock the doors. Now, what these have been doing is they've actually been able to capture the code that's within this, because again, it's transmitting. It's consistently transmitting. It's actually able to extend it and then grab the code and spit that code right back at the vehicle. Then at that point, a thief can get in and start the car right up. Now, I'm not gonna go over how it's actually happening, but you can see videos on YouTube and TikTok on how they're doing it. This customer here that owns this vehicle had a scat back that was actually stolen from him. He came directly to us and said, I need you to take care of this car. I don't want this one to get stolen either. Okay, so here's what we did. We installed a CompuStar alarm system, and there's a couple different components. And what I'm gonna recommend is this. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what we put in it, but if you live locally, then you're gonna wanna come see us at Breaker Stereo in Oxnard. If you don't live locally, go to CompuStar's website and go onto your dealer locator. From there, that dealer will be able to tell you exactly what you can do to protect your vehicle. All right, so let's run through a scenario where a thief actually grabbed your code from your key fob and then went back to your vehicle and tried to start it. So let me activate the alarm system, and hypothetically, let's say they got the code for your key and they're coming back to your vehicle to open it up. In this case, I have the actual key. So we walk up to the vehicle, the car sees this code. So it's gonna unlock this. So this is unlocked now because I'm near it. Now the alarm goes off, okay? So a couple things are happening here. Number one, you'll have this remote control. This is gonna tell you, hey, someone's in your vehicle. You wanna go out there and take care of that. But most times when the alarm goes off, it's gonna scare them off. Now you could also get the drone app, and the drone app will actually on your phone let you know, notify you as long as you have cell reception, that hey, someone's in your vehicle, get out there. The drone can also provide GPS tracking, so you have an extra layer of protection. All right, so let's say for instance, the guy gets in here and he goes and he tries to start it. It will not turn over because we have completely disabled the starter button. Even if I have a coded key, this car is not going to start because this is completely disabled. Now, the only way for you to start this vehicle is to disable the alarm system on the CompuStar remote control. That's the only way. So let me unlock it. So now it's disabled. You're the only person that can do this. No thief is going to be able to come in here and disable this alarm system, and that's key, especially on the street or your driveway without a considerable amount of time. Once that's disabled, you can go ahead and start the vehicle. All right, guys, so if you got one of these vehicles and you got one of these keys, you got to protect this thing. I mean, if you got a Hellcat, you got a $100,000 car you're talking about here, you don't want it to get stolen. Now, these parts that these guys are getting are not really hard to get you. So you gotta protect your vehicle with the CompuStar alarm system. Come see us at 465 North Oxnard Boulevard in Oxnard. If you're local, if you're not, make sure to go onto CompuStar's website, onto the dealer locator, and talk to your nearest CompuStar dealer, and he'll give you that information.